So let's take a look at what all you get when you order a 70mai 4K T800. Now, this dashcam is a 3-channel dashcam with front, interior, and rear recording. The interior cam records at 1080p, while both the front and rear cams record at 4K. Now, it's available with some optional extras like a circular polarizer to help the dashcam see through reflections on the windshield, as well as a 4G LTE hardwire cable to give the dashcam cloud connectivity. However, let's go ahead and unbox the dashcam and see what you get here with the dashcam itself. Inside the box, we've got the main dash cam itself, as well as the rear cam and a bunch of cables and accessories. We've also got some documentation here for the dash cam, plus a micro SD card. And taking a look at the main dash cam itself, looks like we've got a protective cover here over the LCD display. And we've got a second cover here for the interior cabin cam. Flipping things over, we've got our port for the micro SD card. We've got the power button and speaker. Over here on this side, we've got the front lens, as well as the mount for the dash cam. Up on top, we've got ports here for both power and for the rear dash cam. And speaking of the rear dash cam, if we pull that out next, it's going to be a rotating design here like this. And it's got the removable cover here to protect the lens during shipping. The mount uses double stick tape here, and it's not going to be a quick release mount the way we've got for the front cam. Then on the other side of the box, just behind the dash cams, we've got the different cables, installation tools, and removable mount here for the front cam. And tucked away in there, we've got the quick release mount here for the front dash cam. We've got the cable to connect both the front and rear dash cams. We've got the power cable for the dash cam and a cable trim tool to tuck all this cabling inside the car. Now, with the quick release mount here for the front dash cam, the way that's going to work is if you flip this around, it's designed to just attach here right under the front mount. You've got double stick tape to securely attach this to the windshield. And if you ever want to remove the dash cam from the windshield, you can just press up on the mount and lift it off the mount and release it like that. Then for the power cable, it comes with a cigarette lighter adapter here like this with 2 USB Type A ports. One's going to be used for the dash cam, the other one can be used to power a phone. I typically like to hardwire the dash cam so I can tuck this out of the way and not use my cigarette lighter. Gives me a cleaner install. Plus, that's typically recommended to get the parking mode features as well. And then in this pouch here, we've also got some additional accessories along with the documentation. And inside the pouch here, we've got the micro SD card to save all the dash cam footage. We've got some replacement tape here so that if you ever want to move this from another vehicle, you are going to be destroying this tape here. And so you can take it off and replace it here with some fresh new tape, which can be installed in a new vehicle. Additionally, to make that installation and uninstallation process easier, we've got 2 sets of transparent window stickers. So you can attach these to the windshield and then the dash cam directly to here. And this makes it much easier to just peel this off here and keep the windshield itself cleaner. You are still going to, of course, have to peel this off and get rid of this tape, but that's what the replacement tape is for the front and rear cams. And then we've also, of course, got the user manual here for both the front cam and for the rear. And lastly, here's a look at everything that comes in the box here with the 3-channel 70mai T800. And make sure you subscribe to watch the full test and review.